I'm going to show you a dumbbell front squat. What you're going to do is you've got a good hefty pair of dumbbells right here, just as much or as little weight as you need. You're going to hold them right in front of your shoulders. It's going to look like that. We don't want to have them on the shoulders. We want to have them right in front of your shoulders. And that's going to encourage your abs to activate, and that's just going to be a really good thing. With this, your feet are going to go shoulder to hip width apart. Whatever's comfortable for you. You can angle your toes slightly out if you like. I like to have mine a little bit parallel. Brace your abs. You're just going to sit your hips back, and you are going to just squat. Brace your abs, sit back, take your time, coming up and down. I'm going to show you from the side now. So you're here, bracing the abs. Keep the knees tracking along with your hips and ankles. You can tell this is not an easy exercise, at least if you've picked a good hefty pair of dumbbells. Now you get to try it.